The University of Pikeville strongly advised students at its South Residence Hall to temporarily relocate. The decision to move these students was a precautionary move as flooding became a threat to the off-campus residence hall, which is located alongside the Leviza Fork of the Big Sandy River. The students were provided a temporary room in one of UPike's on-campus residence locations.
The water was getting to a point where it was just extremely bad conditions for us to live in there. I'm thankful that UPike was just proactive about the situation. Like, they gave us an opportunity to move on campus. They suggested we move on campus.
Student groups and athletic teams came together to assist students with the move. The situation is not expected to last more than a couple of days. Updates will be sent out to students via email and Twitter.